Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a signature in Gmail. So, let's get started. First, you need to open your Gmail's email. Then, at the top right corner, you can see a settings icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select See All Settings. Then, scroll down and here you will find many options. Among them, you will find Signature. Click on Create New. When you click on it, it will ask you to write the signature name. You can write any name, but this time I entered my name. Then, click on Create. Now, here you need to write the text you want in your signature. For example, if you use your email for business, you can write your business name as well. In my case, I'm just entering my name. Next, you will see some tools to format your signature. First, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can change the font style. Click on it and select any font style you prefer. The next option is for changing the font size. Click on it and select the desired size. Then, you have options for bold, italic, and underline to format your text. The tool after that is used to change the text color. Click on it and select the background and text color. For example, I choose a yellow background and red text. One thing to note is that when you change anything after entering text, it won't apply to the existing text. You need to remove that text and select colors again. Then you'll need to retype it. For instance, I changed the color, but it didn't apply here. So, I remove this text and select colors again. Yellow for background and red for text. Now I write my name again. As you see that my name is written as I chose colors. The next option is for adding a link to your signature. You can use this to link your signature to a URL. Then, there's an option to insert an image. Click on it, and a new window will appear where you can browse and select an image. I don't have an image at the moment, so I can't upload one. Next, you have the Align option to align your signature. Finally, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now, you've created your signature. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.